Corolla XLi 2007 converted to GLi Review and Walkaround Best Deal Urgent Sell. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Toyota Corolla XLi 2007 converted to GLi for sale in Karachi, Pakistan. If you are searching for Toyota Corolla XLi 2007 for sale in Pakistan, Corolla XLi to GLi conversion, use Toyota Corolla 2007 in Karachi, or Toyota Corolla GLi 2007 price in Pakistan, then this video is for you. This is a first-owner, family used car that has been maintained with care and upgraded for a better driving experience. The exterior condition of this used Toyota Corolla XLi 2007 is very neat and presentable. The outer body has a fresh paper shower, while the inner side is fully original. The paint looks clean and shiny, giving the car a fresh look. There are no major dents, and the overall body condition is good for a 2007 model. If you are searching for a clean condition Corolla 2007, this car matches that search. One of the biggest upgrades in this car is the new 1,300 cubic centimeters engine installed. The engine is smooth and powerful, giving better performance compared to the original setup. Please note that the engine number is not updated in the book, which is already mentioned clearly. The AC is chilled, making it comfortable for daily driving in Karachi weather. If you are searching for a Toyota Corolla with new engine, Corolla 1,300 cubic centimeters conversion, or Corolla with chilled AC, this car is a good option. The car has new suspension installed, which improves ride comfort and stability on rough roads. It also comes with new tires and rims, giving better road grip and a fresh sporty look. The car runs on petrol and CNG, which is helpful for fuel saving. If you are searching for a petrol CNG Corolla for sale in Pakistan, this setup is practical for daily use. For convenience and features, this Corolla XLi converted to GLi comes with retractable mirrors, central locking, new locks, and new wiring, which improves reliability of electrical systems. The new seat covers make the interior look fresh and clean. The new lights are installed, improving visibility at night. The multimedia steering adds a modern touch and makes driving more enjoyable with easy control of the sound system. All documents are complete and clear. This is a registered car in Karachi and available for inspection. If you are searching for Toyota Corolla 2007 with complete documents, used Corolla Karachi, or Corolla XLi for sale near me, this car is available in Karachi. Viewing is possible for serious buyers, and you can bring your mechanic for inspection. Overall, this is a budget used car in Pakistan with many new parts installed, making it a good option for buyers looking for a low-price Corolla 2007, used Toyota Corolla under budget, or family car in Pakistan. The demand is almost final 16.10 lakh, which is reasonable according to the condition and upgrades done on the car. This is an urgent sale, so serious buyers are welcome. If you are interested in this Toyota Corolla XLi 2007 converted to GLi, contact us in inbox for further details and location. Don't miss this chance to buy a clean condition Corolla 2007 in Karachi with new engine, new suspension, and new tires. If you like honest car sale videos, used car reviews in Pakistan, and daily car market updates, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more used cars for sale in Pakistan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.